In this Fairfax home, water was hiding inside the walls and ceilings. Saturated materials had spread well beyond the room where it started. Thermal imaging and moisture meters mapped where the water had traveled. We set containment, then opened the ceilings and walls to reach the wet framing. Our crew removed the damaged materials down to sound structure. Air movers and commercial dehumidifiers dried the structure to the S500 drying standard. We confirmed every cavity was dry with repeated moisture readings. The space was cleaned, dried, and verified, ready to be rebuilt. The vision for what this space can become.